How to remove design for Redbubble. Now, if you want to go ahead and upload a design onto Redbubble or upload any type of work and you want to remove the background, here's how you're going to do it. So you're going to come to an application called remove.bg. So this is a totally free background remover that you can find on Google. So we're simply going to wait for this to load up. Now, once it's loaded up, you're going to click on upload image. And once we click on upload image, you can go ahead and choose any design that you want to upload. So let's say I'm going to go with this one. Okay, this is just an example of things you can do. So once you have chosen the design and you've clicked on upload, what it's going to do is it's going to load for a few bits. And once it's done loading, as you can see, the design has opened up over here and it's going to efficiently remove the background off of it. And once the background is removed, it's going to show you the final product. And once the final product is in front of you, you can download it and go ahead and upload it to other spaces. Okay, so it takes a few seconds, so we're going to give it a little time. It also depends on your internet speed, to be honest. So if your internet speed is good, it should be done pretty quickly. So as you can see, you are also going to want to make sure that your image resolution is something that it can handle. So if the resolution is too high, you can, go ahead and choose it to go down a few frames. So let's say I have this image as well. So I've uploaded this image and I want a remove.bg to disable the background from it. Okay. So once the background removal is done, you can see that only the shirt is here now. You're simply going to click it on download. Look at that. So click on download. It's going to download your work and you can upload it onto Redbubble. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.